What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Justice channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the trunk lift supports on your X300. So let's get to it. Psychedelic Lovely Flower Part 1 and 2 by my younger sister. For sale, $1,000. Make sure to have something to support the trunk while removing the lift supports. You don't want the trunk slamming down on your head, or maybe you do. I don't know what you want, but I assume most people don't. Use a trim pry tool to remove the fuel tank cover. Removing the front of the lift support is easy, but detaching the back can be very challenging. There's very little space. Use a long flathead screwdriver to release the tension on the clip. You can also remove the lift supports by using a 2 to 3 foot long pry bar and force them off. Before installing the new lift supports, release the tension on the clip so it can slide easy into place. Once you have it in place, use a flathead screwdriver to push down on the clip to lock it in place. On the passenger side, remove the wires that are attached to the lift support, and move the wiring loom out of the way so it doesn't interfere. There you go. And that's it. We're all done here. Alright, we no longer need this. There you go. Alright, you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late. Look at that. Oh,